So good afternoon to all. Hope you are doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about Subex Share. So we know that since past few sessions, the stock is in complete consolidation phase and it is traveling in the range of 55 and 60 rupees level. So previously, when we have discussed about Subex near the 60 rupees region, so that time we have seen the quarter result and also we have done the technical analysis. But later, after it has started the consolidation, so many people had doubts related to technicals. So we'll see what would be the next target and also support region where you can have the fresh entry. So before that, if you're new to the channel, then definitely subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon to get instantly notified, and do join the Telegram group so that you'll not miss any instant update. Okay, so moving towards Subex, we know recently also it has declared an update related to employee stock options. So we know previously also we have discussed related to this particular topic, specially focused on Subex. So if you see the amount of excising which is going to happen, almost 1,50,000 stock options are going to be excised near rupees 6 each and equivalent to a face value of 5 rupees each. So this was the update which was given. So on regular basis, so these type of updates keep on coming related to Subex. So previously same thing we have discussed about Brightcom group as well. So if you have not watched that particular video, do watch it. So moving towards the technicals, we know Subex earlier it used to be little volatile, but nowadays it is in little consolidation phase, because we know after giving a huge rally, any stock tries to remain in that particular range for a certain period of time before giving any sort of big move. So you need to be very attentive. So what are the levels that we need to focus, each and everything that also we'll try to discuss. So quickly, let's go to delivery section. Let's see how traded quantity is fluctuating with respect to deliverables. Okay, so if we see the day-to-day wise deliveries in Subex, so you can see on 16th June also we have seen 41.1% deliveries, and if you see the last 5 sessions, a consistency of deliveries is present without any major fluctuations, and in the same way without any major fall in the stock, it is traveling in the 55 to 60 rupees region. So not to that extent, roughly from 57 to 60. So in that particular range, the stock is traveling. So a little bit of consolidation is also seen, whatever I was telling. So once we go to technical charts, you will see it is taking the support near the 50-day exponential moving average. So we know whenever Subex approaches 50-day exponential moving average, so that particular region becomes very important. So for now, try to understand that deliveries are remained at a very good consistent pace without any major rise in traded quantity. Okay, so we are back onto the technical charts of Subex, and you can see this is the weekly chart time frame. So when you see the weekly chart time frame, so these were the levels that we used to discuss. So we know earlier, if we do the back testing of Subex on weekly chart time frame, so whenever it gives any huge up move, that is consistently, let's say 3 to 4 weeks, you can see a little correction happens and it takes support near this particular region, basically pivot support. So it takes the support, again it starts retracing, and again it continues the rally. Again same thing, you can see it is approaching the support region of 54 rupees region. So this particular level on weekly time frame is going to be very important. So you can see, if you do back testing of any stock, so you'll understand how the stock behavior is present. So once you'll understand the behavior, so you'll also understand, so many people who watch the technical charts, so they will also enter depending upon that with heavy volumes. So same thing on weekly time frame, we can see 54 rupees as a very crucial region. So after that, if we see the resistances wise, we can see 64.65, which is the all-time high of the stock from where it has initially started its correction. So that is going to be the next immediate target. So this is on weekly time frame. And if we see the money flow index, so still it is in the 77 region, and volumes also little bit increment should be present. So since it is consolidating, obviously volumes would be less. Okay, so moving further towards one-day chart, so this is very important. So Subex never it has come below its 50-day exponential moving average in the recent times, and now since it is approaching that particular region, already when it used to come closer to 50-day, it used to give a bounce back. So same again, it is approaching the same horizon, and you can say 54.32 is the 50-day exponential moving average. So what are the two things that we need to focus in technical charts? On weekly time frame also we have 54 as the support, and in daily chart time frame also we have 54.32 as the 50-day exponential moving average. So double confirmation is present with respect to technicals. So you need to understand that this level is going to be very important. So if you're already invested, okay, focus the levels, and if you want to have a fresh investment, you need to focus the 54.32 rupees level very importantly. Okay, and if you go a little bit down and if you see money flow index, so that is near 57 and it is in the mid range. So this is also flat. You can understand it is in flat range. So there you can understand little bit of accumulation is present. So once it respects that 54, so definitely we can expect a very good up move in the stock, and it may cross the 65 rupees region also. Okay, so these are the things that you need to focus in the coming session. So updates wise, only ESOP's update has been released. So earlier we have discussed about artificial intelligence platform, Hypersense, partnership details, all these things we have discussed. So all those things are currently in progress. So any update if the company releases, I'll try to update with separate video, as well as in Telegram also I'll post it. So further any queries you're having related to this stock, you can ask me in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram ID is StocksDerivati. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.